How to sign up for Uber Eats Bicycle. So if you want to sign up for Uber Eats Bicycle, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. And after that, you just need to simply go with Uber Eats. Go with the website and then go with sign up page. And once you enter the sign up page, or once you're here, you need to simply go with sign up, which is on the top right. Once you tap on sign up, it will take you to the sign up page. Now you can enter your mobile number or the email address and sign up to your Uber Eats. Once you sign up to your Uber Eats, then it will ask you to choose how you want to earn with Uber. So you don't need to skip that part. What you need to do is on those options, you will have an option to deliver with bicycle. So you just need to simply choose the option of deliver with bicycle option. Once you've selected that, you'll be signed up for Uber Eats Bicycle. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.